This is the Amazfit Bip 6, and Amazfit says it's the smartwatch that gives you weeks of battery life, solid fitness tracking, and a clean AMOLED display, all without destroying your wallet. Sounds a little too good, right? So I've been wearing this thing day and night, working out with it, sleeping with it, and living with it like a normal human. And honestly, there's one thing about it that really surprised me, in a good way. Amazfit Bip 6 product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Amazfit Bip 6, a budget-friendly smartwatch from Amazfit, a brand that's been quietly dominating the "you get way more than you paid for" category. It launched in 2025, and it's clearly aimed at people who want fitness tracking and smart features without paying Apple Watch or Samsung Watch money. The big selling points here are an AMOLED display, built-in GPS, over 140 workout modes, and, classic Amazfit, a battery that lasts way longer than most smartwatches. Pricing usually sits well under premium competitors, which immediately raises the question, what are you giving up to get that price? Amazfit Bip 6 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use every day? Here's the thing, the Bip 6 is surprisingly smooth. Swiping through menus feels responsive, animations don't stutter, and for a watch in this price range, that's not a given. I used it for everything, from morning runs with GPS, to notifications during work, to sleep tracking at night, and it never felt slow or frustrating. Opening the workout menu, locking onto GPS, and starting a run takes just a few seconds, no awkward waiting around on the sidewalk. Notifications come through reliably, text is easy to read, and vibration strength is strong enough that you'll actually notice it. Is it Apple Watch level fluid? No, but it also doesn't feel cheap or laggy, which is honestly more important. In daily use, it just quietly works, and that's kind of the best compliment I can give it. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First up, built-in GPS. This means you can go for a run or bike ride without bringing your phone, and your route still gets tracked accurately. For outdoor workouts, that's huge, especially at this price. Second is the AMOLED display. This thing looks great. Deep blacks, punchy colors, and excellent outdoor visibility. Scrolling through stats or checking the time in bright sunlight is no problem at all. Third is health and fitness tracking. You're getting heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, stress tracking, sleep stages, the whole package. And the sleep tracking in particular is impressively detailed, breaking down light, deep, and REM sleep in a way that's easy to understand. Design and build. Design-wise, Amazfit keeps things clean and practical. The Bip 6 has a lightweight case that's comfortable enough to wear all day, and more importantly, all night. It doesn't dig into your wrist when you're sleeping, which is something bulkier watches still struggle with. The button is clicky, the touchscreen is responsive, and the included strap is soft and breathable. It's not flashy, but it's functional, and that's very much the point. Battery life. This is where the Amazfit Bip 6 really flexes. Battery life is excellent. I consistently got well over a week of use, with notifications on, sleep tracking every night, and several GPS workouts per week. Compare that to an Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch that needs charging basically every day, and the difference is night and day. If you hate charging yet another device constantly, this alone might sell you on the Bip 6. It's the kind of battery life that lets you stop thinking about battery life, and that's a rare thing in smartwatches. Pros. Excellent battery life that actually lives up to the hype. Built-in GPS at a budget-friendly price. Lightweight and comfortable for 24/7 wear. Cons. No voice assistant or speaker. Feels more fitness watch than smartwatch. Final verdict. So, who is the Amazfit Bip 6 actually for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're someone who wants great fitness tracking, long battery life, and a clean, easy-to-use smartwatch without spending a fortune, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's especially perfect for runners, casual athletes, or anyone upgrading from a basic fitness band. But if you want full smartwatch features, replying to messages, taking calls, using tons of apps, you might still be better off with an Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch, even if that means charging daily.